Hello my friends. Today we again going to the beach, make a barbecue. Today I take 3 type of marinade. Mayonnaise with onion for pork, and mayonnaise with onion for beef, and beef with soy sauce, and onion and garlic. Today is very good weather, very hot, and we prepare our tasty barbecue in the beach, beautiful beach. Let's go. Well, my friends, we arrive the place called Battavan Beach. Bathavan. The entrance fee 200 peso and rent place for barbecue 500 peso. Let's go. Yeah. Look my place, my friends. Look my friends. There's a beach. No people there. Yeah, it's place for barbecue. Nice. Let's start it. There is a local specific alcohol need put in the fire, because it's something like a compressed. I don't know how to tell it. Well, before you start cooking the meat, you need to prepare the coal, because it's Asiatic coal, something like a pressed, not different coal, not like I expected. But it's starting okay, I think. Well, it's just starting to fire the coal. Do that. Well, my friends, here is the process. Preparing, yummy. Look, yummy and tasty. It looks beef, but really it's not ready. Inside it's red, and I think it's very hard, but pork is better, I think. Yummy. I don't know. But it's possible getting rotten. We don't have a freezer. Here, no freezer, you understand? Maybe. I don't know now. Well, my friends, unfortunately the beef it's not good, very hard and very long. Cook it, rats inside. I don't like it when it's happening, and very hard when you try to eat it, just like something like I don't know, something like plastic. But pork, it's always pork. Pork is good, quick preparing, tasty, I think, good smell. Look, my friends, how it's beautiful. The sunset starting, and it's barbecue. Tasty sunset barbecue. See a sunset barbecue. And this time it's not good, the beef, unfortunately, but it happens. No problem. Pork, great. The pork is great. Yeah. Look, beautiful, very beautiful. I like it.